And we're back. So we got our burgers done. Had to wait a little bit because Amy kind of didn't realize that, maybe I might want some fries with it. Go figure, right? So just to make this really simple and easy, I'm just going to put a little bit of mayo. Don't need a lot. And that seems pretty easy, right?
Yes.
Then we're going to put a burger. Of course, Amy's not getting one right now because Amy's got to work tonight.
It'd be my breakfast.
Yeah, so she's going to bring hers to work with her.
Yeah.
I mean, does this really seem that hard, guys?
No.
So we're just going to cut this out mostly two spots. You don't need a lot, and to be honest with you, I probably made too much, which if you watch our channel enough, you'll know that that's just like a common thing here.
Yeah.
But you know what? This is the thing about making too much. You can easily just put this in Tupperware when you make, like, we're going to make eggs in the morning and just mix that in with the eggs.
Yeah, that'd be good.
That's it. So how's this look?
This look at that.
Really good. And you can usually get these from Wendy's and Dairy Queen. Those are two companies that make these a lot. And I'll give you a nice little hint here. I mean, Amy's going to be bringing hers to work. So
Yeah. I think A&W has a matzo burger too.
I think they might. Well, they have a matzo burger,
but not mushroom, I don't think.
But the mushrooms is what the start of the show is.
Right. Yeah.
No. So basically, this is it. We're just going to warm up some corn for the side, but that's it. Like, how hard is that? And how good does this look? You can load up more if you want. You can make it over filling, but this is going to be good. You don't need anything else on this. Like I said, Terre Haute, if you're watching this, you could have put some hot peppers through this.
Jalapeno, whatever.
Whatever you want to use. I recommend Scotch bonnet. It would work really well. This is what Making Cooking Great Again is all about, guys. Please hit that like, share, subscribe button, because this is why. Amy does this.
Go.
We didn't see that because I didn't get the phone in time.
Oh, there.
Amy gets so excited she can do that a lot. Guys, thanks for tuning in. Stay safe, and we'll see you soon. Welcome to Poul's Kitchen. Chef Poul with me today, Chef Amy.
Hi.
Today we're going to do a pretty quick video, at least I hope it's a quick video, on the Wendy's Mushroom Melt Burger. And I don't know about you guys, but sometimes I really like me some Wendy's. And I asked Amy if she can get me a Wendy's burger. She said no. She told me off, actually, and you know what? In her exact words is, why the hell should I pay like $40 for us to go to Wendy's when you can make the burger yourself? And I have to think, well, she's kind of right. I don't want to say she's right because I'd be making my wife right about something.
Yay.
But she does have a point. I can probably make this better than, what do I mean, maybe. you go to Wendy's, McDonald's, or any of them, you don't even know what you're getting for meat. I'm not going to show you buns. I'm not going to show you condiments. I'm not going to show you how to cook any of that. You should know how to do that by now. We have lots of videos if you want to see them. What I am going to show you is the mushroom melt part of it. I've got some thinly sliced mushrooms and some thinly sliced onions. And I'm going to set this in here and we're going to start sweating these out and cooking them down. And the only extra spice we're going to put in here is a little bit of a chili lime. A spice of Paris chili and lime is a really, really killer spice. This is basically the same as getting Tajin, except it doesn't have any filler in it to try to get it to be more, to try to keep it loose, like a loosening agent. And Tajin is good, don't get me wrong. I don't know how many times I said that you need to have it, and you kind of really do. But I kind of like a spice of Paris chili lime spice a whole lot better. It gives a lot more flavor and it is more fresh. It's fresh enough that Amy knows that that there's chili in it. Because Amy doesn't really like the chili right now as much. And that's fine, she can learn to deal with it.
I find it spicy.
Yeah, because it's fresh.
Yeah.
As compared to getting like Tajin, which is totally not fresh. And that's the difference, right? You go to Spice Affair and you get like their product, it's going to be so much better. We're going to try to keep this keep this down a little bit. Try to mix up a little bit. And I've also added some cheese, but I think I did way too much.
Yeah.
Yeah, just a little bit much, but that's fine. This will be extra cheesy, and then I can use the rest for something else. Not a big deal.
Yeah.
Amy can put that in a Tupperware, and I can use that for breakfast in the mornings.
Yeah.
But you're going to slice these down, and you want to start sweating these down quite a bit before you think about putting the cheese on. I only used about 4 mushrooms, and that should be good for 2 burgers. Why? Because I have a starting feeling Amy wants a burger too.
Yeah.
Go figure.
Oh.
Chef Alejandro wants to be a part of this. We put our ragdoll down this week. Sadly, she was 19 years old and she was pissing all over the place. We think her kidneys were going. She lost like 80% of her weight. She was weighing next to nothing. And this is our memorial to her. It almost looks real because every time I cut the corner, I'm kind of looking at her as I'm trying to say hi, Lilith. Because there was a time when Lilith would have climbed right on there and laid just like that. But sadly, the last year or so, she couldn't. And we had to put her down this week, and it's been a really depressing week. And Alejandro apparently really misses her too. He's a great cat. So we're just going to continue to cook down this way. By the way, guys, please, if you go to our Facebook group, give a shout out to Ron. He likes to provide the group with a lot of different content other than just mine. He gives a lot of fun things. Keep in mind, not all of his dishes are things that I'm going to eat, or most of us will, because they're not always healthy. But they're fun to watch, and they can give you some different ideas of things you can do. Just do it differently, right? Amy will sit there, she'll watch some YouTube later at night, and she'll come up with some pretty cool ideas of things that she'd like to have done, but she knows that she can't have that specific recipe. And that's what we can do, right? I mean, you can look at those recipes and say, oh, that looks really cool. Like, how do I do this in a way that's good for me? Well, that's easy. You just look at what the ingredients are and then start looking at what you can alter them with. And then you come up not only with a better recipe, but also healthier. So we want to get these all caramelized down. And the best part about this, it's not walking into a restaurant and getting their creation. getting it done the way that they want it done. You're getting this the way that you want it done. Not the way they want it done, the way that you want it done. And this is the best part of why Amy refused to get me Wendy's today. Because this is exactly what I want. Not what Wendy's wants. And besides, my mushrooms are fresh. They're not coming from something that's been sitting in the freezer forever. I'm not saying that's exactly what Wendy's does, but I think they do, so I don't know.
Yeah.
But you never, with fast food, you never know.
No.
Right? And I'm also just teasing. Edie never refused to get it for me, but I'm pretty sure if I did ask, that's probably what she'd say, because I can make it better than they can.
Yeah.
Don't get pre-grated cheese. I mean, this shows you how clumpy cheese is when you grate it, and that's fine. Clumpy cheese is perfectly fine. It's not going to hurt anything, believe me. You can move it around and you can melt it that way. Now, Poul, when I go to Wendy's, they put cheese slices on there and they're using Swiss. Well, yes they are, but you can also do it this way and then you don't need the cheese slices. And on top of that, you don't have to use Swiss.
No, you can use whatever kind you want.
Yeah. And you know what? I'll probably use all of it. Let's make this really cheesy. Use what you want. Use what you like. I mean, and to be honest with you, Wendy's is using processed Swiss, so it's not even really Swiss to begin with.
Yeah.
It's not the greatest. So I mean, by all means, it's fair game for you to go out and use what you want. Use what you have. I mean, that's what making cooking great again is all about. Using what you have, not having to go to the store to spend money just to get the recipe that you want. Because I mean, a lot of times it's more a matter that you're making what you want with the ingredients that you want to make it with. And 9 times out of 10, even if you don't have that specialized ingredient, it's going to taste just as good anyways. Now, Terho, you could have added some hot peppers in this too, and it still would have been a very legit burger, and it still would have tasted really good. Add what you want. If there's something else that you want in this, hey, please add it in there. Join our Facebook group and show us pictures. I want to see what you've done. This is what we're doing. And as you seen at the beginning of the burger, I think this made the burger look really incredible.
Yeah.
So guys, please hit that like, share, subscribe button. One click from you means a lot to us. It makes Amy dance, sing in glory. She'll do that in 10 minutes, I promise you. Really, she will. But until next time, please click like, share, subscribe. Let's make cooking great again.